The case was full of dirt and everything. There was hair inside his contact lens box. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a video after a really long time. So today I didn't make my usual tech video, and instead I got a video on things you should never do with your contact lenses. The reason for making this video is because I've been wearing contacts for almost 2 years, and the second reason is I've been seeing people doing this habit again and again, which is really bad for the health of your eyes. So people trying to cheap out on solution or lenses can cause many problems in the future. The first thing I want to talk about is buying out a cheap solution. So this is something which I also did some time ago. When I bought my contact lenses new, I bought the best solution out there for like 2, 3, 4 months. But after that, I started searching for cheap solution, and I bought this Chinese solution which was really cheap. They also offered a case inside the box. So after using that cheap solution for almost I will say 1 month, my eyes were really dried out, and also I was having blurred vision problem. So first I thought maybe there's a problem with my contact lenses, or I got an infection. So after doing some research, I found out that the cheap solution doesn't clean the contact lens properly. There would be still protein buildup on them, and secondly, it won't really moist them properly, due to which you will start to have these kind of problems. So what I ended up doing was I bought this Optopharma solution for my contact lenses. So this video isn't sponsored by them or anything like that, but I really like this solution because it's been really comfortable for my contact lenses, and B, the quantity is quite a lot. It's 350 ml, even though it's kind of higher in price as compared to the other ones, but still I think this one is made in Germany and the quality is super top notch. The second thing, or the most important thing I want to talk about, is cleaning your contact lens case. So I was with a friend, and he was about to put his contacts back in, and when he opened the case was full of dirt and everything. There was hair inside his contact lens box, and the thing he was saying was, I change the solution every single day. Changing the solution every single day is important and a good habit, and it's a must thing to do, but still cleaning the case is really important. Whenever you remove your contact lens, make sure to put some solution inside the case and just rub it with your clean finger and get rid of all the protein, all the dirt that is inside the case. That is really important. And make sure to change the case every 1 month. Most of the new solution, if you buy a bottle, you will get a free case inside or with the bottle. So make sure to change the case every single month or after every 40 days. I think that habit is really important. Last but not least is wearing your contact lenses for too long. I have seen people not only wear contact lens when they are sleeping, which is really bad, because when your eyes are closed, your eyes cannot get enough oxygen, and when you put a foreign particle inside, it's going to be really bad for your contact lens and for your eyes. And number one reason for eye infection is sleeping inside your contacts. I know there are so many contacts out there which say that you can sleep in them, but the best habit to do is to remove them and to let your eyes get refreshed for the next day. I think that is the best habit. I tried to sleep in my contacts, I think once or twice. It was a really bad decision. My eyes got really red, and I had pain in my eyes for almost, I will say, 2 days or more, because I accidentally slept in the contacts. So if you're wearing any kind of contacts, just put them out in the solution in the night time. That is really important. One bonus tip I would really like to share with you guys is don't overuse your contacts. If they are daily contacts, make sure to dispose them and open a new packet the next day. Or if they are weekly or monthly and you have to replace them every single month or every single week, make sure to do it on time. I will say it again, eyes are really sensitive, and it's among the most beautiful part of our body. Don't try to save a couple bucks and mess with your health of your eyes, or buy the the best solution. Buy the good contacts, because even though contact lenses are really great, but it does require some extra precautionary measures as compared to glasses, because with glasses all you have to do is just clean your glasses properly, and that's about it. But with contact lens there are some of steps which are really a must take. So anyways, the reason I have already told you for making this video is I want to share this knowledge, and I know there are so many new people who are going to be trying contact lenses, so I think it's going to be great information for them also. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.